Question number 2, part B, you have been asked to tell that during the development of the game's console, the plastic parts are being made by the 3D printer. Give 2 reasons why the manufacturer would use 3D printers. Now it is a 2 marks question, and you are required to give 2 advantages of 3D printers. The answer of this specific situation is not given in your book, so I have written this answer that it will be more cost effective to produce parts for the game console by using a 3D printer, because the material will be built in the upper part of the 3D printer, and at the base of the printer the specific parts would be printed in the form of a spray from the top. So it will be cost effective to produce, because once the material will be there with you, it will be cost effective to produce the part. Then secondly, I have written that parts will be made with the same precision, and quick production of parts will be possible because you just have to give the command of taking prints, and so quick production will be possible. In question number 3, you have been asked to tell that an air conditioner unit in a car is being controlled by a microprocessor and a number of sensors. Describe the main differences between control and monitoring processing. The answer is given on page number 113 of your book. This is the flowchart which tells the similarities as well as the differences between control and monitoring processes. The first 3 blocks which are in common are the similarities, and these last 2 boxes which contain these last 2 boxes contain the differences. You can see that the monitoring systems are those systems which only monitor. They just give one signal that there is some problem in the system. If the data is outside the given range, they will activate an alarm. The microprocessor has no effect, it will not take any action. But the control systems, if the new data is outside the range, they will act upon, like the automatic street lights. And they turn on at night and they turn off during the daytime, so that they follow the control system. Now in question number 3, part B, you have been asked to describe how the sensor and microprocessors would be used to control the air conditioning unit in car. Name at least 2 different sensors that might be used and explain the role of positive feedback in your description, and you can give one diagram also. As the specific answer is not given in your book, I made this answer for you myself, that there are 2 basic sensors used in the car, in the air conditioning unit of a car. One is the temperature sensor and the second one is the humidity sensor. And how the sensors are used, the required temperature is keyed in. Suppose the user selects 26 as the temperature, then the sensors will automatically check for that specific temperature, and the values are on the continuous values will be converted into digital values using ADC converter, and that data will be given to the brain of that software. The brain compares the values. If the values will be less, then no action will be taken, but if the value will be greater than 26, a specific value, then the compressor of the air conditioner will turn on in order to maintain the temperature of the car. And if the temperature of the car, if the temperature of the car becomes equal to the given temperature, then the compressor will be turned off. In the question, you have been asked to tell the role of positive feedback. If the temperature is equal to the required temperature, then no action will be taken. This is the diagram that I have made for the air conditioning unit of a car. First of all, the user will input specific value of temperature like 26 etc., and the humidity sensor will keep on checking the humidity level of the car also, and the temperature sensor will keep on sensing the temperature. These values will be given through analog to digital converter, both analog to digital converters to a microprocessor. The microprocessor will keep comparing values and through a digital to analog converter. The command will be sent to the compressor to turn on if the temperature is the value of temperature is greater than the given value, and to turn it off, the value of the temperature will be less than the or equal to the given value. So this was all. So these were the answers of first three questions of exam style questions of chapter 3. Next time I will discuss questions 4, 5 and 6. Thank you.